Today I'm going to show you how to change a green mango to yellow color in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Open the Mode list at the top, and select Lasso. Create a loose selection to the areas where you want to change the color. With the selection active, click on the Adjustment Layer icon, then create a new solid color. In this color picker, choose a new color for your mango. Let's name it Mango Color. Now change the blending mode of this layer from normal to color. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J. Double-click on this, and rename it Highlights. And change the blending mode to Screen. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag it to the right. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.